Hey guys, in this video what I'll be doing, I'm going to fill this bad closure to look like this one you're seeing. First, I'll be using a pencil to give a demarcation and to give me guide on what I'm about to do. With my leftover hair, I'm going to cut out some parts, then cut out the sealed parts and remove the excess hair from the sealed part. With my ventilated needle, I'm going to start my ventilation. So with the hair you have cut out, put the ventilated needle in a single hole of the net, pull out a hair, one or two strands of hair, pull it out and tight it. A detailed video on how to do a ventilated closure, on how to ventilate a closure will be in my description box. If you want to learn it, you can also visit it. This is what I'll be doing. I'll be filling in the bad closure. One thing I try to make sure that I do whenever I'm ventilating is to relax myself. I try as much as possible to relax very well and to do the closure properly. The reason why I'm saying this is because I cannot be hanging. Left for me, I cannot be hanging while I'm doing this because of the tiny hole, and so that I'll be able to see them properly. That's why I relax as much as I can before I start this. I'm done ventilating. This is how it looks like. You can also consider applying concealer or foundation on the closure. So thank you guys for watching. See you. Bye.